Hello, we are the Scramble Gears Robotics team from St. John Newman Catholic School in Maryville, Illinois.
Our patent journey began when we were nominated for the Global Innovation Award at the first LEGO League State Championship when we were in fifth grade.
To continue competing at the international level, first advised us to seek a patent to protect our intellectual property. Chris Carroll, a patent attorney from Small Patent Law Group in St. Louis, Missouri, met with us on several occasions to learn about and complete the patent application process.
The inspiration for our project came from the first LEGO League theme, Hydrodynamics. Our team was challenged to solve a problem related to water. We created the Water Spark, a hydroelectric generator that is powered by water flowing through the downspout on your home. The biggest benefit from our patent so far has been the sense of accomplishment. We took a project all the way from an idea to a U.S. patent before we graduated from 8th grade.
We have been recognized for our work by our governor, U.S. Representative, state senator, and mayor. We have been featured in a local newspaper and on Fox News in St. Louis. Being a young inventor has given me confidence and pride in my work. I love the career and the STEM field. Thank you for your time.